Welcome to a new video of accessible technology to enhance inclusion. Today in the course content, we will learn to use the tool Headings Maps, a completely free extension that helps us to know the order of headings from a website. It's important to remember that users of Screen Reader require the headings to have a proper order to be able to make use of the website and access to information easily and safely. As an example, we have visited the Galley website with the Mozilla Firefox browser. Once inside it, we have changed the order of headings to find the extension Headings Maps. We place ourselves at the top right part of the screen. There appears the icon of the extension. We click on it and then a side panel is displayed on the left side of the screen, where the order of headings are shown to us at the hierarchical level. We can see that we start with a heading of level 4, when the logical thing is to start with a level 1 heading. If we modify again the order of headings, we can see how the error disappears on the side panel, and it turns into a logical structure where the user of the screen reader can make use of the website in a safe way. I hope you liked this video and it is useful for you. See you in the next video. Valencian Government, Department of Innovation,
Industry,
Trade, and Tourism. Digital Divide Observatory, Chair of Digital Divide and Functional Diversity, Polytechnic University of Valencia, Center for Quality Management and Change, Social Group ONCE. Decadic Com.